App downloads are at 0, you need to stop vibe coding because anyone can do it, and you need to start marketing. Now I know this sounds normal and you've heard this before, but it's time to really deep dive into this topic so that you'll stop building and building another idea and another idea and another idea. You're building and building and building and building and upgrading your Claude plan or your Codex plan, and you're repeating this infinitely. Now let me explain the issue. Whenever you have 27 app ideas and you create each one, what you're neglecting is the marketing. Now if you neglect marketing, your app downloads will stay at 0 forever, and that means no money. Cha-ching. When you want to make money, people will only find apps if you market your apps to them. And the secret is to market to the people that are actually seeking your type of app. And how do you do that? So there's a few ways to do that. You have to find where your target audience hangs out. Now each target audience hangs out in different places. For example, gamers hang out on TikTok. They love watching TikToks and YouTube shorts. They consume shorts. And so if you're making something related to a game, you might want to post short videos to TikTok and YouTube shorts. However, if you're marketing to accountants or people of real estate, you might want to join accounting groups on Facebook and then join them all. It's free to join them all, so you just click join and then you share your video explanation or image post to show them what your app can do for them. If they like it, they will of course download your app if it's free, or even if it's paid, they will subscribe to your app and you'll get more downloads that way. Bottom line, if you want your downloads to go up and you want to increase your revenue and get more people actually using your app, and you're fed up of seeing the big 0 downloads, all you need to do is follow the marketing path. Your last app was perfect. You don't need to build one more app in order to succeed. In fact, you're fully aware that all of your apps were perfect, and the only reason why you're building one more is because you think that the reason why you're not selling is because the app just wasn't perfect enough. But let me just tell you, your app was perfect. Your goal is now to market it. If you want more information about this, follow me. I have a ton of marketing tools which automate your AI video content marketing. One of my tools is called MGSA. It allows you to forward your post on Facebook to all of the relevant groups to that specific niche. For example, if you created an Excel app, it will forward your Excel post to all of those Excel groups in one click, taking away all of the marketing friction. Another app that I built is called ZippyClip. It will allow you to actually publish your post, your video, into Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, and Instagram in one click. And it actually will add subtitles and even edit your video for you. So the tools I've built are actually marketing tools which will help you get your content to everyone. Follow me or follow the link in the description or type link in the comments. I'll send you all of the marketing tools in one link.